In this short video, I'm going to show you how to make a button move on hover in Wix. The first thing I want you to do is to go to your Wix editor and find the button that you want to work with. In my case, I want to work with this button right here. So I'm going to move it to the side because what we need to do now is add a hover box. To add a hover box, what you want to do is head over to the left hand side of the screen, which is where you will see this side menu right here. From the side menu, click on Add Elements right on the top here. And then from this new menu, go all the way down to Interactive. And then right to the right hand side, you will see hover boxes right here. Simply go ahead and add any of these hover boxes to your Wix website. And the reason why we want one is purely for its functionality, because buttons, text, or any other elements besides hover boxes don't have any hovering functionality. So go ahead and delete all the contents within the regular view and the hover view of the box that you just added. And then what you want to do is resize the regular view of the hover box to the size of your button. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. It can be quite difficult to get this right, so make it as small as you can, and then just go ahead and add the button within the box. As you can see, this blue label that says attach element, or attach the box actually, will appear. So let go, and then the button will automatically be added to the box. So if I just move around, as you can see, it kind of follows through. Now you can resize the regular view of the hover box to the size of your button. That way, when somebody hovers over the button only, that's when the hovering animation is going to take place and the button is going to move. Now, if you make the regular view of the hover box this big, for example, and somebody hovers down here, this is going to trigger the hovering animation, which would make no sense, right? So you want to keep this as small as possible, unless obviously you have different goals. So once you've done that, go to hover, and then here you will also see your button. So what you need to do from here to make your button move on hover is simply click on the button and hold, and then just move it in the direction that you want it to move. So this is a linear direction, by the way. You can't make circles or anything like that. Unfortunately, as you can see, there's a blue line right here that stretches. So move the button to whatever you want. In my case, I want the button to go a little bit down and left once somebody hovers over it. So once you've done that, click away and then go ahead and preview your website, and then let's have a look at what it looks like. Now, as you can see, when I hover over the button, it kind of moves a little bit down and then a bit to the left. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make a button move on hover in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.